I have this girlfriend who lives in the UK with her family. She has two daughters. On the 20th was her first daughter's birthday. The girl was turning 16 on the 20th. So because I have her number, I decided to wish her a happy birthday. Few days later, my girlfriend sent me a message saying she wasn't happy with me. And I was like, what did I do? She said, how can I not congratulate her for her daughter's birthday? I was like, excuse you? I already told your daughter, I already wished your daughter a happy birthday. Why should I be congratulating you for your daughter's birthday? She was like, the proper way is that I was supposed to wish her for her daughter. I was like, maybe I would have done that if I hadn't wished your daughter a happy birthday already. Because I remember that when she posted her daughter's birthday, I went there, I liked, WhatsApp has this love button now, you understand, that you can love somebody's post and all that. I loved it. And so I think her problem was because I did not say, according to her, she said I was supposed to say congratulations on your daughter's birthday. Like congratulate her for her daughter's birthday. So I was angry. She was angry. I was angry. So we ended up quarreling, and we ended the call. And since then we haven't spoken. So I have been asking myself. Then I don't understand. Am I the one that is wrong? You understand? Because as far as I'm concerned, if my daughter or my son or anybody that I know is celebrating their birthday, let's say I'm hosting a party for someone, let's say my child is celebrating their birthday and you come, I don't expect you to tell me congratulations. Go to the celebrants and tell them, except you don't have an access to the celebrants, you understand? Then you can tell me, you can say happy birthday, wishing your daughter happy birthday, blah 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 and all that. But even if you don't do that, I won't be pained. Like, I've just been thinking, Mokuna help me. Should I apologize to this lady or not? Or I should just leave her, make she carry her wahala they go? Because me, and if I talk now, they go say maybe this one. I never cross border. I no go lie. I never crossed border before. Now this country now I've gone to almost the whole 36 states of Nigeria, but I've never gone international before. So maybe it's being done outside. Me, I don't know. You guys should help me. Should I apologize or not?